What's up, guys? Welcome back. Melissa Shield, Patreon request from Emmanuel. I want a landscape page, use a pencil, eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. We start with her eyes. She wears glasses a lot of the time, but I found one where she's not wearing glasses, and I hope this is okay. It'll make the drawing a little bit easier. So if you want to add glasses, you can, but I thought this one would be better. So, bit of a head tilt on her head, right? She's kind of arms behind her back, right? So, her eyes. We have big My Hero Academia eyes, right? So we do curving, sort of like a letter C kind of shape. It kind of like curves all the way around, like so. And it is kind of a thick line. So we want to like thicken it up a little bit. Like it's thicker on the outside edge here because of her eyelashes. Much darker here. Okay. So then she has eyelashes that stick out here, and they're just like lines like this. 3 of them, it looks like. And then she's a couple of eyelashes that come down along here. We have a little bit of a spike that sticks out this way, and then an eyelid line just here. So her eye, it's kind of like a long circle. It's not like a perfect circle, it just goes around like so. And then her iris, somewhere in the middle. Again, it's sort of a longer sort of shape. It's not like perfectly circular, right? Her eyebrows are quite thin, so we go with just like a line like that. You might want to add a little section that you can color just in there. So we come over and do the other eye. So just across about half an eye width, I'd say. See, like, because the eyes are bigger in My Hero Academia. So it's about half of her eye will fit in between both of her eyes. And then it like curves over. And again, a big sort of curving sort of shape. Right, you want to thicken this up here at the back. It's kind of spiky down here. And then we have eyelashes that stick off. Then we have an eyelid line here. The eyelashes on the bottom. Then we have that large iris. Like so. And then her pupil in the middle. Like that. Her eyebrow then on this side, again, another sort of large curve there. And then we'll add a little spot just that we can add a bit of yellow color just in there. Her nose then, typical My Hero Academia nose. It's just one of these sort of things. And then her mouth, a little smile. That's broken into 2 places, right? So, and you sort of start underneath the inside of her eye there. See, it's just down from there. And the other side will be the same. So you like that, and it's kind of like dimples on the end. And then her chin. Sort of just a little curved line here, kind of like same curved shape as her mouth. And then we bring the jaw up the side. Disappears underneath her hair. So you want to stop it about there. And then on this side, gradual sort of curve up there. It goes up a bit further on this side. So her fringe then comes down across her hair. So we have some hair spikes here at the front. Like that. And then a big hair spike that comes down the side of her face. And we go back up. And then this goes down this side and back up again. And like line there. So she has lots of this hair that comes over her shoulder and some that goes down behind her back, right? So let's say, what can we see? So let's say we got some hair spikes here, say, coming over her shoulder. Around like so. Okay, and this one on this side so comes from behind her ear, kind of. So her ear lines up with her nose, just there. Just another line there. And then this one goes in a different direction, sort of down here. Okay, so a lot of hair goes behind her shoulder, right? So just like, say the top of her head would be just up here, right? So about, say like chin to top of her eyes is about this, or like chin to eyebrow maybe is about the same as eyebrow to the top of the head. So here to here, about the same as here to the top of the head. So, and then this is her hair and her head, so it curves down this way. It starts to like flick out for some of her hair, right? But the rest go behind her shoulders, so we kind of have to draw her body first. So we can see some of her neck coming down here on this side. We got a bit of a head tilt, right? So neck on this line is shorter. And then her collar, white collar, down into here. Then maybe like a bit of a neckline or something there. And then her collar will come out the back down to there. And then she has a bow tie, right? So it's kind of tied in here. And this goes out this way. Collar in there. And then the bow tie comes down. There's like two sections to the bow tie. Just underneath here. This is the first section. Right, and then there's another hanging down sort of part here. Another one here. Right, and then her chest comes out here and then her shoulders here again. So her arms are like going behind her back, like she's holding her wrists, you know, at the back. So we've got like a big curved line for her chest here. Okay, and then another on this side. Oop. Right, and then her waist or her ribs goes that way. And then we have a V-neck on this waistcoat here with buttons and a button here. And this one has pulled fabric lines, right? So like the bottom of her chest going around that way, and then like fabric sort of being pulled across. Okay, so now her shoulders. So one shoulder we can see more of. So we can go out around here. And it just goes pretty straight down, right? And then this shoulder we can only see a little bit that goes down behind her chest here. And then we have armpit lines. So where's my image? Sorry, lost my image there. So we got her armpits, shoulder lines, and she has like a short sleeve there, and then the rest of that hair. So we can do that now. So all these texture lines. Spikes curving out, like so. Maybe a few more texture lines just in here, and some more spikes. It's quite long hair. Yeah, so like at the back it goes real long. And down, right down off to the bottom by my page down there. And I think that's everything. Did I miss anything? No. Melissa Shield. Thanks for the request, Emmanuel, on Patreon. Anyone else with specific requests to characters I don't normally draw, head over to Patreon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.